In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a multi-page business website in WordPress for free. If you follow this tutorial from the very beginning to the end, you can create any business website, services website, agency website, freelancer portfolio website, or any company website. I'm a professional web developer. I do charge a minimum $1,000 to $3,000 to create this type of multi-page website. So you can pick one of these options. Hire me for $1,000 to $3,000, or just watch this tutorial and make your own website. We will be creating the whole website by using a free CMS called WordPress and a free page builder called Elementor. And we will be creating everything just by drag and drop. You don't need to know a single line of coding. Let's now have a look at what we're going to make in this tutorial. First, we will have this beautiful transparent header with logo, navigation menu, social links, and call to action button. Then I will show you how to create this beautiful hero banner area with all these headings, text, and quick buttons. Then within this services area, you can feature your best services. You can change all these icons, all these texts, everything is editable. Then from here, by clicking on this call to action button, people can make direct calls on your phone. Then here you can show some sneak peek about your team or company. Also, by clicking here on this icon, a video pop-up will appear here. Let's now close it. Next, you can showcase your client logos within this beautiful carousel. Then here you can add some of your key features by using this awesome progress bars. Then here you can add some of your best portfolios, and on hover, you can add a little details about this project. Next, we will have our beautiful team member area. Next, we will showcase our client reviews. This section is very important if you want to attract new clients. Then this is a quick contact section. Of course, we will have a dedicated contact page, but this is an extra opportunity to get our clients. Then we can add some fun facts about our business or maybe some achievements. Next, we can show our most recently published 3 blog posts within the home page. Also, we will have this subscription option if you want to collect leads from this website. And definitely I will show you how to make this super clean footer area. We will have our separate about page. Here you can add some more details about your business if you want. Next, we will have this services page where you can add all your services, and also we will create this amazing process section. Then we will have our separate portfolios page. Here you can add your all previous best works, and when anyone hovers on any specific project or portfolio, they can click on that link. That will take them to that specific project details or case study page. Here you can add more details about that specific project with videos, sliders, and downloadable assets. Next, I will show you how to create your blog archive page where your all blog posts will be shown, and on the sidebar you can add more about your recent posts and social links. Also, I will show you how to write a blog post within this beautiful single blog post design with social sharing options. Then we will have our beautiful contact page with all the contact details, contact form, and embedded Google Map. Also, our website would be 100% responsive for all mobile and tablet devices. Can you believe we will be doing all of this just by drag and drop and by using only free resources? I'm really excited. If you're excited like me, please give this video a big thumbs up. This is the only thing I want from you. Just have a look. If you like this video, then from YouTube's left bar, you can go to liked videos and find this video easily later. Alright, we will be creating our beautiful business website in easy 4 steps. First, I will show you how to get your own domain name and web hosting. I will also provide you a 78% discount link. Then how to install WordPress. Then how to install a free theme and a free page builder. Finally, we will start customizing our amazing website. Also, I will be adding a timestamp in the description so you can always jump into the necessary part you need. Let's now start with step number 1, which is to get your domain name and web hosting. So first of all, what is a domain name? Domain name is basically your website address, like Facebook has facebook.com, Amazon has amazon.com, we have jimfahaddigital.com. Similarly, for your website, you need an address that will be your website name.com. And what is web hosting? Web hosting is the storage space for your website. all the images, text you will have in your website, all will be stored on your own web hosting. As you are owning your own web hosting, so there wouldn't be any limitation. You can run ads, you can upload any text or images, you can upload any theme or plugin you want. You are the in charge of your own website. Now, how to get your own web hosting with a free domain name? So first, just click on the very first link in the description below this video, or you can just go to jimfahaddigital.com/myhost. And this will take you a special discounted Hostinger page. So why Hostinger? In my opinion, Hostinger is the most affordable and also the fastest web hosting provider available. Just have a look into all their Trustpilot reviews. People are super happy with their hosting speed, affordable pricing, and customer support. Now from here, you can change the language if you want. Maybe you speak Spanish or Portuguese or Hindi. You can select your language from here. One thing I also do want to say is that this page changes quite often. In fact, they probably change it once a month. So if this banner or this whole interface looks different than this one, don't worry, don't panic. This happens quite often, it's the same website. Let's now scroll down a bit here. You will find all the different plans. By the way, here we can see 3 plans, but sometimes you may see 4 plans here. Just don't panic, because you can create your website with any of these plans. But as you are just starting out, I recommend taking this premium or this business plan. With both of these plans, you can create up to 100 websites. For example, today you are creating a portfolio website, tomorrow you want to create a business website, and the next week you may want to create an e-commerce website. So you don't need to purchase hosting each time. You can create all the websites within the same web hosting plan. So here with this premium plan, you will get 100 GB SSD storage. With the business plan, you will get 200 GB NVMe storage. And with all of these plans, you will get all the features like unlimited free SSL. So all of your websites would be encrypted and super secure. Unlimited bandwidth. So there wouldn't be any limit how many website visitors you will have. Free email. You can create hundreds of professional email addresses like info@yourwebsite.com or admin@yourwebsite.com like this. Then free domain. Yes, like I said, you will get a domain name for free. You will also get tons of WordPress features like one-click WordPress installation, free automatic website migration. So if you want to move your existing website from another hosting provider to Hostinger, they will transfer it on behalf of you. How cool is that? Now let's talk about security. Personally, I'm very serious about website security. And Hostinger just nailed it with all the features like Cloudflare protected name servers, malware scanner, and all these. I have had very bad experiences with other web hosting providers. We have got so many malware attacks and we had to pay the hosting providers additionally to use their other security tools. But here in Hostinger, you are getting all these security tools for free. Alright, let's now select a plan. And like I said, you can take any of these plans based on your needs. So for now, I'm taking the premium plan. You can upgrade it later anytime. So click here on Add to Cart. Alright, let's just go ahead and scroll down. Right here, you are going to see different pricing options. Now, this is referring to how long do you want to host with Hostinger. So we have 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, and then we also have 48 months. First of all, I don't recommend going with this 1 month plan because you see it's almost $12 a month, which is super expensive. We don't want that. My recommendation would be go with 48 months. So for the first 4 years, you just need to pay $2.99 per month. That will save you in total $432. And then after those 4 years, you start to pay only $6.99 per month, which is still super affordable for a web hosting plan that can hold up to 100 websites. But if you want to start with 2 years or 1 year, you can click over here. And then in your first year, you just pay $2.99 per month and you are still going to create up to 100 websites. And after that first year, you start to pay $9.99 per month. So the longer the first period, the more discount you will get when you renew the plan. So if you have the budget and you want to get the most discount possible, you can go for the 48 months plan. And after those 48 months, you start to pay around, $6.99 per month instead of $9.99. But wait, there is more. If you just click here on continue, here you need to create your account. But you see all these fields are optional. You just need to select your country. Otherwise, I'm skipping this form because we can add these informations later after creating our account. So let's scroll down. Here you just need to put your email address. Here I'm writing my email address. Make sure to put your best email address because they will create your hosting account with this email address. Let's now click on continue. And here, like I said, I have got more surprises for you. So here you see it says have a coupon code. Just click there. And here if you fill in with my special coupon code, which is JFD10, and you click on apply, you will now get a total 78% discount. Can you believe we're getting super fast web hosting with a free domain name for the full year only for $32? What an amazing deal, right? Here at the left side, you can see different payment options. So you can pay using your credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, or even you can use your cryptocurrency. Also, you may see more different local payment options based on your country. So here, let's just scroll down. Here, I'm putting my credit card information. Now click on Submit Secure Payment. Then it will redirect us to the control panel. Let's set a very strong password here. Let's retype the password. Let's confirm it. Then you can see an interface like this. But let's say for some reason if you just got logged out, you can again just go to hostinger.com. From the top right corner, click on login. Then here you just need to put your email address and the password you have just set. That will take you inside of the Hostinger dashboard. And here you see it's asking to verify our email address, and it's very important. So now I'm going inside of my email inbox, and here you need to click on this verify email button. So it's now verified. From this interface, you see it says premium web hosting. Just click on this setup button. You can see the same setup interface what we have seen at the very beginning here. From here, click on start now. Let's skip this by clicking here. As we want to create a new website, so from here it says create a new website, just click on select. We will be using WordPress to create our website. So from here, let's select WordPress. Here, put your email address and set a very strong password. I'm giving mine. Let's click on continue. I don't want to add any plugins, so I'm deselecting them all. Let's now scroll down, click on continue. We also don't need any theme from here, so scroll down and click on skip. If you already have your domain name, you just want to transfer it in Hostinger, then you can select this option. But now, as you have got a free domain with Hostinger, so here I'm selecting this option. It says claim a free domain. So click on select. First of all, from here, you can select any extension like .com, .online, .link, .shop. But I'm selecting .com extension because .com websites look more professional and legit. But you can select any extension you want. And then within this field, you need to write your desired domain name. You can put your name or your business name. It would be your website address. So take some moment, think about it, and put that domain name here. I'm typing here Jim Toots, and let's now click on this search. It says domain is available. That's awesome. Let's now click on continue. Now we need to fill up some details for my domain registration. So here I'm selecting my country Bangladesh and I'm selecting personal. Then click on next step. Here I'm quickly putting my name and contact details. And now click on finish registration. Now click on finish setup. And then just wait a little. Here WordPress will be installed on this brand new domain name. You see the percentage here, we are almost ready to go. So we have successfully completed our domain registration. Now first just have a look inside of our control panel. So from here click on manage site. I know it may look overwhelming, but it's super easy. Actually, you don't need to do a lot of things here within this cPanel. Just do a few things. Let's go inside WordPress dashboard. So click on WordPress overview here. And from this place, just make sure this force HTTPS option is turned on. Then click on this edit website button. It will redirect us within our brand new WordPress admin panel. Alright, so right now we are inside WordPress admin panel or WordPress dashboard. So I will make you familiar with all of these options like posts, media, pages, appearance, plugins, all of this. But now before doing any other thing, the first thing I want to do, I want to clean up my WordPress dashboard because personally I love to work in a clean environment. So here we can see some notifications. So let's just close this by clicking on this X. Also, let's minimize this like in this way, or you can just open up the screen options from here and you can just disable them one by one like this. So right now our WordPress dashboard is looking much cleaner, but now I wanna make our WordPress dashboard more cleaner. So to do it, from left sidebar, let's just go to plugins to install plugins. Because here you can see some plugins, these actually came with default WordPress installation. So I don't want them. You can select them one by one in this way, or you can select all of them together by checking here. And then from bulk action, first of all, I'm just selecting deactivate, click on apply. And then select all of them together again, and from bulk action click on delete, then click on apply. The browser pop-up says I'm sure or not. Yes, I'm sure. So click on OK. Now all the unnecessary plugin has been deleted. By the way, if you wonder what is a WordPress plugin is an extra app or extra add-on like thing which extends the functionality of your WordPress website. So yes, we will be needing some other plugins, but these plugins actually we don't need them. Let's clean up a little bit. So from now pages, let's go to all pages. So here we can also see some dummy pages. Let's select all of them together. Now from bulk action click on move to bin, then click on apply. So all the unnecessary plugin has been deleted as well. The next thing I want to show you that how to change your password. Okay, so to do it, from left side, let's now hover on users. From there, let's go to profile. So first of all, if you want, you can change the admin color scheme, like you can make it to light or modern or blue. Actually it doesn't matter because only you can see it. Like here you can see the color has been changed on the sidebar and at the top bar. So I'm just going back to the default, and then from here if you want you can add your first name, like here I'm adding Jim, last name Fahad, and here nickname I'm adding Jim Fahad, and here display name publicly as. So your this name will be shown as the author of the website. Let's say if you write any blog post, so as the author of that blog post, your this display name will be shown. So make sure you have put your base name which represent you. So here I just wanted to say Jim Fahad, this name, and then let's see if you wanna change your email address, you can do that from this place. And from here if you want you can add some biographical information about yourself. Then if you want to change your profile picture, so you can just click here on this link and you can change your WordPress profile picture. Now from here under the account management, from here you can change your password. So just click on set new password. Here WordPress is suggesting us a very strong password. If you want you can use it, and of course you should save it on anywhere on your computer so you can later remember this password. So for now I'm just clicking on hide because here I just wanna write a password which is easily rememberable for me. So here by the way it says medium, but for now it's okay for me. Let's scroll down and click on update profile. Alright, now I wanna make you familiar with two basic terms. One is backend and another one is frontend. So backend is basically the place where we are right now. So this is the backend or the dashboard of our WordPress website. As we are the admin, so we can access on the dashboard or the backend. And now if you wanna see the front end of our website, then from the left top bar, if we just hover on our site name, then here you can see visit site. So I'm just opening it from a new tab. So let's go to the new tab, and here we can see the front end of our website. So the whole world can see this view or this portion of our website. By the way, at the top we can see a black bar. Only we can see it because we are now logged in. So also from this black bar, if we just hover on your name, you see you can also log in or log out from this place. So basically this is the front end of our website. So the look and feel you are seeing right now, these are actually coming from the theme of our website. So if you want to change the theme of our website, just go back to WordPress dashboard or the backend. Now from left bar, hover on appearance. From there, just go to themes. And here we can see some themes. At this moment here 2023, this theme is activate. But if we select any other theme, for example this one 2022, let's just click on activate. And now if we go to the front end and refresh the page, you see the look and feel of our website has been changed. So at least we can understand the theme has been applied. But actually I also don't want to use this theme. So let's just go to themes, and from here I wanna use a really lightweight theme. So from here I'm just clicking on add new theme, and from the theme library I just wanna search for Hello Elementor theme. We can see it here, but for some reason if you cannot see it here, you can just search here by typing Hello Elementor, and then here we can see the theme. So just click on install, and then just wait a little. Here click on activate to activate this Hello Elementor theme. Alright, so we have installed and activated the Hello Elementor theme. The next thing I want to do, I want to install our page builder plugin. Okay, so to install our page builder plugin, you can just go to gymfahaddigital.com. I will put this page's link in the description. So from this page, from under important links, if you just click here on get Elementor free version, just click there. It will take you to the Elementor Pro purchase page. So if you want, you can purchase Elementor Pro, because Elementor Pro has a lot more features, but for this particular tutorial we will be using only Elementor free version. Okay, so if you want to use Elementor free version, first of all you need to create a free Elementor account. Okay, so from top click on login, and then in order to create a new account, click on create an account. So from here, you can just use your Google or Facebook account, or you can just click on continue with your email. So just put your email address and password and create your new account. As I already have my free Elementor account, so I'm not just recreating anything. So make sure you have created your Elementor free account. Then let's go back inside WordPress dashboard. So as we already have created our Elementor free account, now we just need to install the plugin. Okay, so from this left sidebar, this time here hover on plugins. From there let's click on add new, and then from here, from this search bar, I'm just searching for Elementor, and here you go. We can see Elementor website builder. You see here is 5+ million active installation. So this is the plugin. Click on install now, and then click on activate. Alright, let's now close it. From top right corner, click on this X, and now first of all I wanna create a dummy page. Okay, from screen options, let's also minimize this one. Okay, so I want to create a dummy page first to make you understand how Elementor works. Okay, so from left side let's create a page. From pages let's click on add new, and here within the title field I just wanna name it, for example, awesome page, like this. And from top right corner click on publish, and then click on publish one more time. And now I want to create this page by using Elementor page builder. So from top click on edit with Elementor on this button. So right now we are inside Elementor page builder. Here's the fun part, begin. So here we can see a pop-up. Let's just close it. And now this is the main Elementor canvas. By the way, here at the top, whatever you can see, this is the header of our website, and here at the bottom, this all right reserved, this is the footer of our website. So this header and footer is basically coming from our Hello Elementor theme, and here within middle area, this is the main canvas. So we will be creating our website within this canvas. Now let's have a look at the left side. So on the left side, everything you can see, all the elements or widgets, all these are Elementor elements or Elementor widgets. Okay, like here you can see heading, image, video, text editor, button widget. So here also, if I scroll down here, you will also find some Pro widgets. So if you purchase Elementor Pro, you will get access to this widgets as well, like here gallery widget, price list widget, animated headline widget. But for this tutorial I just want to use the free widgets. So here I'm just minimizing the pro tab here. By the way, here you will get all these widgets like image carousel, basic gallery, counter, icon list, all these for free. Okay, so now let me give you the simple idea how this Elementor page builder works. Let's say if you want to create a new section or any banner. So to do it, first of all you just need to click on this plus icon, and from here you need to select any of these structures. So for example, I'm just selecting this first structure, and now everything you can see within this pink border area, this is this section area or section height. Okay, so if you want to change the height of this section, you can do that from left side. So if you just drag this bar to the right side, you see the height started increasing. If you drag it to the left, you see the height started decreasing. Also you can give it a solid value by typing here, like here I'm giving 400 pixel of height. Now let's say if you want to give it any background color or background image, then from left side you just need to go under the style tab here, and then here you see background type, click on this pencil icon. From here, from this color picker, okay, first of all let's just close it. Now from this color picker you can select any of these colors like red, black, or you can just drag this color wheel so you can select any other color. Okay, and then if you want to add any background image with it, just click on this choose image button, and here you can upload any image from your desktop. Now let's just click on select files, and from these images I'm just selecting this image. Now let's click on open. By the way, all the images and other resources I'm using in this tutorial, you will get all the images and other resources from jimfahaddigital.com. So if you just click on this download button, you will get all the resources what I'm using on this particular tutorial. Okay, so I have selected this image. Now click on select. So here we can see the image here. Also you can adjust the position, so you can set it to top center or top right like this. Also you can set it to center. Then from display size I'm just making it to cover, so it will cover the whole area. And now let's say if you want to add any overlay over this image, you can do that as well. So from left side, let's scroll down, just click on this background overlay here, and then from here just click on classic, and you can access to this color picker. Just click there, and let's say I'm just taking this black color overlay, then you can increase or decrease the opacity from this place as well. So for example, I'm just keeping here 0.55 transparency like this, and then I just want to show you how you can add any element within this container. Okay, so if you want, you can click on this plus icon, or you can click on this Rubik's cube icon. So from here, first I'm just dragging this heading element within this place here, and now if you want to write anything from this field, I'm just here writing Jim Fahad Digital like this. You can make it to right aligned or center aligned. You see, whenever I'm making it to right or left or centered aligned, it's getting the alignment horizontally. But let's say if I also want to make it aligned centered from vertically, so we can do it in a way. Just click on its parent container by clicking on the 6 dots. You can select its parent container, this one. Now let's go under its layout, and from here just make the justify content value to centered. So the inner child, the heading, is becoming vertically centered. Now just click on this heading. So whenever you want to edit anything, just click over that element. You will get access all the editing options. So if you wanna change any style of this heading, just from here go under the style tab. You can just open the color picker. You can make this color to any color. I'm just making it white. Then from here just click on the typography, and let's click on the family first. So here you can see lots of Google fonts. So for example, if you just select any of the fonts, the font family has been changed instantly. Also here I want to use one of my favorite fonts, which is Poppins. I'm selecting it. You see it's been changed instantly. Also, if you want to increase or decrease the font size, you can just play with this bird to the right side and left side, so you can mess with it. If you want to play with font weight, you can make it more bolder or less bolder just by playing with these numbers. Also from the transform, you can make all the uppercase or lowercase, or you can go back to default. So you can also play with all other options. Almost all of these are self-explanatory. Now let's say if you want to add any other element right after this heading, just click on this Rubik's Cube icon. From here, for example, I just want to add some text. So drag this text editor underneath this heading here. Now we can see the text here. Just go under its style tab. We can make the alignment to centered. The text color from here, you already get it right. Just make it to white like this. And now let's say if you want to add more elements, okay? So click on the Rubik's Cube icon. If you want to add any image, just drag this image element. If you want to add any video, you can drag this video element. So here, for example, let's say if you want to add any button, so just drag this button underneath here in this area. Now you can make the alignment to centered. Also by default it says click here. If you want to change it, so you can just make it to contact now. Then if you want to link this button with any other page of this particular website or any external website, you can do that. So just remove this hashtag from this field within this link field. So I'm just linking with https:// then my personal website, which is jimfahaddigital.com. So if now anyone clicks on this button, that will take them to my personal website. Okay, now let's say if you want to do some styling with this button, you guessed it right, just go under the style tab. From here you can change the color. So instead of this green, let's say I just want to make it black color like this. And I want to show you another interesting thing. So the button color is now black, but let's say when anyone hovers on this button, the background color will be changed. So to do it, from here just go under hover tab. So on hover, the color I'm making it to, for example, red. Okay, red. Now have a look. In normal state the color is black, but if we now hover on this button, it's becoming red. How cool is that? And whenever you do any work, to save your work, don't forget to click on this update button. Otherwise, if you just accidentally refresh the page, your all hard work will be lost. Alright, so you already have got the basic idea. So if you just click on the Rubik's Cube icon, so from here you can just drag all the elements from left side to the right side. So in this way, step by step, you can create your own website from scratch. But you see, it's a bit time consuming because I have other tutorials which are 4 to 5 hours long, where I have shown how to create a full website from scratch, everything step by step, just like dragging the elements from left side to the right side, then designing the element step by step. But here in this particular tutorial, my goal is to create this website really faster. So to make this website really fast, I wanna use a ready kit from KitPapa.com. So KitPapa.com is one of the best place to get ready Elementor kits. So here if you have a look on the left bar, here you will find almost all category websites like freelancing websites, educational websites, real estate websites, health websites, SEO websites. You will find here almost all category websites. So you can create your own website or your client's website really faster by using this ready KitPapa Elementor kits. Okay, so for example, let's say if you have got a client and he wants you to make a restaurant website really fast. So from left side, you can just search for restaurant category. So from here, just click on food and restaurant. Then here you'll find all the restaurant related kits. So I'm just clicking on this first kit. Now here you can see all the details about this particular kit. And also here is another interesting thing. If you just click on the documentation, you will get the installation video guide with it. Not only with this particular kit, you will get a separate installation guide with each of the ready kits. So if you just play it, you see the installation guide is only 2 to 3 minutes long. So if you just follow this installation guide, you can install the kit for your clients only within 2 to 3 minutes. And you see the kit's price is really affordable, which is only $14.99. And if you got a client who wants a complete website, like a complete restaurant website, you can charge them couple $1,000 to create a website like this. But here you can purchase it only for like $15, and you can just install it within 2 to 3 minutes, and you will charge them thousands of dollars. Also, let's say if you want to preview the website, you can just click on this live demo button. So within this beautiful iframe, you can just preview the website from here. So you can easily pre-decide if this is the perfect kit for you or not. Also, here is another interesting thing I have found. So from here, if you just click on the tablet device, you can see here up front how it will look on the tablet device, or if you click on mobile icon, you can see how it will look on the mobile device. So you can decide up front if it's the perfect kit for you or not. All right, let's just go back. And for this particular tutorial, I wanna use a kit. I'm just searching here Zenix. Okay, I can see it here. So I wanna use this kit. It says Zenix. And like I said before, you can see all the details of this kit here. Also, here is the installation guide. So here is everything about this kit. And you see its price is only $14.99. If you want to support this YouTube channel, please just go ahead and purchase this template kit. I'd really appreciate that. But let's say if you're just starting out and if you don't have this little budget, then no worries at all, because I have another option for you. You can just go to gymfahaddigital.com. So from here, if you just click on this download button, you will get this kit for free from my end. But like I said, if you can afford and if you want to support this YouTube channel, please just go ahead and purchase this template kit. So after downloading or purchasing the kit, you will basically get a zip file like this. And I'm showing you how quickly you can import this kit within your WordPress website. Okay, so let's now go inside of our WordPress site. So we were here within Elementor Page Builder. So we just need to get rid of this builder. So from here, from the left top, click on this hamburger icon and click on exit button, and then click on apply and click on leave. Actually, we no longer need this awesome page because I have created this page only to demonstrate how Elementor Page Builder works. Okay, now I just want to import that zip file, but before importing the kit, I just want to do some basic settings. So from settings, let's just go to permalinks here. And make sure the permalink structure is set to this option. It says post name because it's good for search engine optimization. So let's scroll down, click on save changes. And I wanna enable another option. So from left side, hover on Elementor. Let's go to settings. Then go under advanced tab. From here it says enable unfiltered file options. Let's just enable it. Scroll down and click on save changes. So we are almost ready to go. Let's now import the kit. So now from under Elementor, click on this tools. Now let's go under export or import kit. Now from here it says import a template kit. Click on start import. And here you need to upload the zip file what you have downloaded or purchased. So click on select file. So this is the zip file you have got. Select it. Click on open. And here it's just showing us a warning if the file is safe or not. Yes, this file is safe. So just click here on continue. And here make sure everything is selected or checked. Now from the right bottom corner, click on next. And one more time, just make sure everything is selected. And then click on this import button. And here wait a little bit because it will automatically install and activate all the plugins it requires. So just wait a little, maybe 30 seconds to 1 minute. Just don't close this browser. So let it load and just wait a little bit. Alright, so it says your kit is now live on your site. That's awesome. So now from right bottom corner, click on close. And I'm really excited to see how it's looking on the front end. So to check our website on front end, just hover on site name, then click on visit site. I'm opening it from a new tab. Just have a look from here. So if we now have a preview, I think some of the areas are looking super bad, and there is a reason for that. Okay, If you now just do one simple thing, it will be fixed magically. Just have a look. So if we just go back to our WordPress dashboard, now from left side, just hover on Elementor, then click on settings. Now from under general, from here disable default colors, just enable it. Also disable default fonts, just enable it. Okay, and then click on save changes. If we now go to the front end one more time, let's just refresh the page. Now just have a look, everything has been fixed just like magic. Alright, so we can see here everything perfectly, but here if we just go to the top, you see we cannot see the header here. Also if we just go to the bottom of the page, we cannot see the proper footer here as well. I will show you very quickly how you can just create your header or footer, but before that I wanna show you how you can change the content of the homepage the way you want. So here, before changing any content from homepage, I want to show you another thing from WordPress dashboard. So just go back to WordPress dashboard, just have a look. As we have imported the whole kit, what we have got inside of this kit. Okay, so if we just go to the pages from here, just go to all pages and just have a look. We actually previously we have created this awesome page. So here we can see it. Actually we don't need it, so we can just click on bin to delete it. Other than that, we have got all the pages like about page, blog, contact, home 1, home 2, portfolios, all these pages with the kit. Okay, so here is our home page, we can see, and now I want to edit this page by using Elementor Page Builder. So from the top of the page, you can just click on edit with Elementor, and you can do it actually in another way from WordPress dashboard. Here actually we are using home 1 because we can see here front page. So from this area you can just click on edit with Elementor, or from the front end of the page you can click here on edit with Elementor on this button. The same thing, you can navigate through these two different places. So I'm clicking here on edit with Elementor, and like I said, I will be working with the header and footer later. So for now, let's just start focusing from this banner area. And you already know how to change the banner background. So you just need to click on these 6 dots. Now just go under the style tab and you can change the background image from this place. Now let's say you want to change this text. So the concept is very easy. If you want to change anything, you just need to click over that element and you will find all the changing option at the left side. Like here, I just want to change this digital agency to Jim Fahad Digital. So to do it, just click over this, and on the left side you will find the changing option. So it says digital agency. Instead, I just wanted to say Jim Fahad Digital. So here we can see Jim Fahad Digital, but we cannot see the left and right rounded design. So from here you just need to play with the width. So I think I need to increase the width. So here I'm just dragging the bar to the right side. So you see it's looking like it, but I think it's too much. So we can just keep it like 160 pixels, just like this. Then I wanna change this heading. So let's click over this heading, and here have a look. The text you wanna keep inside of the global color, I mean within your brand color, you need to write that within this curly bracket here. So here the digital word is within the curly bracket, that's why it's showing the brand color. By the way, I will of course show you how you can change this brand color. So right now we can see all these colors are kind of, what should I say, orange color. Let's say if your brand color is any other color, that might be green, orange, or blue, or any other thing, you can change the global color from one place. So if you change that color code from only one place, all this orange color will be replaced with that color. I will also show you that very shortly, but now let's focus on this area. So instead of digital, I just wanted to say JF Digital, which stands for Jim Fahad Digital, and here I don't want this word agency. So here JF Digital, and here is a hyphen. So JF Digital you can rely upon like this, and here I don't want this space, oops, like this. Then if you want to change this paragraph, just click over there and just wait a little. So you can change the paragraph text from here. So open the title description. So this text is basically coming from here. So if you want to write anything, you can change it from this place. Then here discover more. So click over this button. Let's say I want to link this with our about page. So how can you do that? So again, if I just go back to our WordPress dashboard, and here you see we can see all the pages here. Also here at the top you can see our about page. So from here, if you just click on view, so I'm just opening this about pages link here at a new tab. So here the about page, I'm just going to the URL bar. So from here you can just right click over here, just click copy. You can just copy the about pages URL, then go back inside Elementor and just remove the hash. You can paste your about pages link. So now if anyone clicks on this discover mode, that will take them to the about page. But here you don't need to do this kind of hard work, so you don't need to go to your about page manually, copy and paste the links. So there is another easy trick. So just remove this link from here. So if you now start typing the page name here, just like here I'm starting typing about, you see here Elementor is suggesting us all the pages that matches with this name. So here I want to select this about page, so I'm selecting about. You see it's getting the link by itself. How cool is that? Alright, now here is another button. So here instead of hire us now, let's say I just wanted to say contact now, and here I want to link it with our contact page. So here I just started typing con, and here it's suggesting us the contact page. So select the contact page. Here it will get the contact pages link. Cool. Alright, let's now scroll down, and here is the services area, and you can change this text, just like here you have changed this text, and this area. So similarly you can change all of this text, and if you want you can change these bullet points. So for example, if you want to change it with anything, something like only for example quality works, then here the second one, so minimize it and open it. So here you want it to say your one stop solution, so some keyword about your business. And here you can replace this image with your own image if you're the CEO. So just click on this choose image, click on upload files. By the way, under media library you can see all the images as we have imported the kit. So these images are came with kit import. Okay, so just to go to upload files, click on select files. So from our images folder I just wanna select one of my image. So click on open. So here just wait a little, here is my image, click on select, and here we can see the image is rounded, and here I just wanna put my name Jim Fahad, and here we can see more services, and I just wanna link it with our services page. So here is the services page. Now here on the right side you can put your best services. You might have 10 to 15 services, but here you need to put your best services. Okay, so here like website development, SEO content. By the way, you can change all of these icons and text. For example, let's change this one. So I'm selecting it, and here I just wanted to say, for example, Elementor web design. Let's say this is one of your services. Okay, and also I want to change this icon. By the way, if you if you click on the icon, you will get access to all of this icon library. You will find all the necessary icons from here, or you can search from this place. So I'm just looking for Elementor. Let's select this one. Now click on insert, and it's instantly changed. Let's now move to the next area, and here is the option for changing the phone number. So if you want to put your phone number, you can just change the phone number from this place, from the left side. Then on the make appointment, this area, so I just wanna link it with our contact page. So I'm linking it with our contact page. Let's now scroll down. This area is for about us. So here you are already familiar with this. You can change this text, all this heading, and all these bullet points, something like some features of your team, like a dedicated team. On the first area you can just write here our dedicated team, then 24/7 support, and all of this. Okay, so if you wanna add anything, you can just click on this add item, or if you want to delete anything, you can just click on this X to delete that item, just like that. or if you want to duplicate anything, just click on this duplicate icon, so a new list will be added here. Okay, and now let's say if you want to add this 24 years of experience, let's say if you don't have 24 years of experience, if you just want to write here 12 years, you can change it from this place. Now this button, I just want to link it with our about page, so here I'm linking it with that. And now you can change each of these images. Okay, for example, if you want to change this image, just click over this image, then from here click on choose image. You know, you can just go to upload files and you can upload any image from your computer or from the media library. For the moment I'm just selecting, let's say, this image. Click on select, so it's changed immediately. Now have a look on this video button. So if you click on this video button, here a video is appearing within the pop-up. Now let's say instead of this video, if you wanna insert here another video, so within this field here you can see URL to embed. So we can just go to YouTube, and from here let's say I want to embed this video. Okay, so from the top bar you can just copy the URL. Now go inside Elementor, and within this field first remove the URL and paste the URL you have just copied here. Okay, so now if I just close it, oops, just have a look. If I now click on this, and here we can see the video we have just inserted. So here people can see the video from within this page. All right, let's close it. Let's now scroll down, and here is the client's logos area. So if you wanna put some logos of your client, you can add within this area. And by the way, I wanna show you another thing. Let's say if you don't have enough reputed clients, if you don't wanna use these logos, you can just delete it just by clicking on this X, so you don't need to worry about it a lot. Okay, but let's say if you have some reputed clients, you can just add their logos here, and you know, you can just click over there and you can add the logos from this area, from this logo carousel. Just click over that, and if you have added multiple images or logos, you can just reorder them in this way, the way you want. Also, let's say if you want to delete anything, this open house, so I'm just deleting it, and let's click on insert gallery. You see it's been deleted from here. But if you want to add any other logo, just from this place, just click on add to gallery, and here I want to add this open house logo, so select it, click on add to gallery, and here you can order or reorder it again, then click on insert gallery. You see it's inserted within the logo or image carousel. Now let's scroll down. This is the fun area. So here, you know, you can change this text with your own goal or own mission. So some motivational word or some you know, you can add here some word which helps your client to hire you more. So add some strong words here. Okay, and then here you can add some fun facts like you have experienced 95% on marketing, then here's solution. Okay, instead of solution you can just write here, for example, you have experience in branding and your success rate is 96%, like that, some fun fact. This is nothing serious. So also here if you want, you can add some paragraph about that, so that's actually elaborate the meaning why you are 95% in marketing. Okay, just write some word from here. Or nowadays it's super easy, you know, you can just go to ChatGPT and you can ask ChatGPT make some word within this amount of words. Actually, I mean you can add here maximum capability, and you know, nowadays it's super easy because you can use ChatGPT. So you can just ask ChatGPT how many words you want here, and ChatGPT will create some creative words for you, or you can write it by yourself. I'm just giving you the idea. Okay, so let's now scroll down. Here is the portfolio area. So here, you know, you can change this text, this heading, and all this area. By the way, we will be using, we will be using this area on our portfolio page. So I will describe about this area, how you can change these images with your portfolios. That might be a web design portfolio, logo portfolio. How you can do that, we will be discussing on the our portfolio page. So we don't need to repeat one thing multiple times, so it will not make you bored. So I'm skipping it for the moment. We will discuss it later. and here is the team member area. So we will get this area on our about page. So I will show you very quickly how you can change this team members information on our about page. So from home page, I'm just skipping it. This is the same thing. If you can change it from about page, you can change it from the home page as well. Okay, so let's just scroll down, and here is the reviews option. So reviews is actually very important for a business, because what you say about yourself or your business, that doesn't matter. What other people says or what your client says about your business, which is very important. So here you need to put the best reviews from your different clients. Okay, so here, okay, first of all, here instead of view more, just click over here. So instead of view more, I just want it to say portfolios, because I want to link it with our portfolio page. So here is our portfolios, and now here I want to change it. So basically, if you want to change the rating, so here you can change it to 4 or you can make it to 5. Then here name, you can change it. For example, here I'm just writing Mark Robber, and here is his description. So let's say he's a marketer, and from here you can change the headshot. So from here I'm just changing this headshot with other image. So click on select files. I'm selecting this image, click on open, and here, so let's select this image, and here you can just replace it with your client's testimonial. So here I'm pasting some of the testimonial of my clients. So in this way you can change all other headshots, their name, their title, and their reviews. Okay, so let's now scroll down. Here is the contact area. By the way, this image is just a placeholder, but I think you can keep this picture as well, because this is a generic image. It doesn't have to be your own image, because it looks really nice. So it's pointing out on this address and all details. So from here you can just replace this text with your own office address. You can replace this with your phone number, and then you can just replace this with your email addresses. Just like here, I'm just writing my email address, jimfdigital@gmail.com. So in this way you can change all of this information. And here on the right side, actually in this place we will have a contact form, but I will talk about the contact form a few moments later, because we will be creating our contact page as well. On the contact page we will be creating the contact form. So I think if we discuss about the contact form right after creating the contact page, that will be easier for you to understand. So for the moment I'm just skipping it. Let's now scroll down. Here you can add some fun fact about yourself, like how many projects you have completed. So just click over there. Let's say you have completed only 100 projects. Okay, so here you just need to write ending number 100, and you don't need this kind of suffix. Okay, so it says 100 completed projects. But if you want to add any suffix, so let's say if you wanted to say 3k plus, so here 3 is the ending number, and suffix here I'm writing k and plus, so it will be showing like 3k plus completed projects. Also you can change this icon with any of these icons that we want. So let's close it. So in this way you can add some fun facts, like how many happy customers do you have, how many hours have you achieved or gained, how many satisfaction rate you have gained from your client. You can actually describe all these fun facts. Let's now scroll down. Actually I will discuss about this blog area. You don't need to worry about this area, because I will show you how to write any blog post. So whenever you will write any blog post, your most 3 blog posts will come here automatically. You don't need to do anything. So your recent 3 blog posts will automatically appear here in this place. But let's say if you don't want it, from here you can just click on this X icon to delete this blog area. Okay, let's now scroll down, and let's say if you have a very big email campaign, so if you wanna capture all the leads on any email platform, for example ConvertKit, or for example ActiveCampaign, or any other email marketing tool, you can use this area. But to keep this tutorial easy and simple, I'm just removing this area from this place. So let's just delete it by clicking, let's just delete it by clicking on this X here. Okay, so other than that we are done with almost all of the areas of our home page. the rest areas we will discuss on other pages when it will come. Okay, so for the moment, to save all of our hard work, just click on this update button. By the way, here I wanna show you another thing. If you wanna preview your website just after changing anything, you can just click on this eyeball icon to preview your website. So just click on this eyeball icon. It will open up the page on a new browser window, so you can see everything is perfectly changed. So here we can see everything has been changed perfectly. All right, now I wanna show you how you can make your header and footer really nice. So in order to do that, you can just go back to your WordPress dashboard. From here, from left side here, you see it says Elements Kit. From there, click on header and footer. So as we are here for the first time, so from the onboarding, just click on the next step. So just click on next step here and next step, then click on save changes. Alright, now from left side, from under Elements Kits, just click on header footer again, and from here I want to create our header first. So let's go under header tab, and from here click on add new, and here you can name it anything, but I'm just naming it my header, and here type would be header, the condition says entire site and activate. Let's just activate it, and then click on edit content here. So it will open up within Elementor Page Builder, and basically within this page we will be inserting some header file that we have previously created, that we will get, or I mean you will get it with the ready kit. Okay, so let's just go to the file you have just purchased or downloaded. So basically you have downloaded this file. And you see it's a zip file. So first of all, just unzip it. And now after unzipping, within this folder, let's go within this folder, you will find a folder, it says KP templates. Okay, so from within this KP templates folder, we will be using this header and footer.json files. Okay, so now from here within Elementor, instead of clicking on this plus icon, click on this folder icon, click here, and then click here at this top arrow icon, it says import template. Now click on select file. So from here, let's go inside of this folder. From within KP templates folder, here make sure you have selected this header.json, this file, then click on open. So here is the header template. So click on this insert button, then click on apply. So here we can see our header. By the way, you can see its color is kind of gray, but it's actually not. When we see it on real site, it would look really great because it's now a bit transparent. So here first thing I want to do, I want to change this logo with our own logo. So just click over this logo, and here I want to replace this logo with our logo. So just click on select files, or actually you can just drag and drop from your computer. So from here for the logo, I just want to use this logo, so I'm dropping it here. So let's select the logo, and where you can see the logo, and I want to link this logo with our home page. So here I'm just removing this hash, and here I'm typing home, and here I want to use home1, this page. So yep, and also we can see the menu items here, but I want to change these menu items from inside WordPress dashboard, and here it says get a code. Just click over there because I also want to link it with our contact page. So from here, let's just select the contact page, and I'm showing you shortly how you can change these menu items as well. For the moment, just click on update and just have a look. If we just go to the front end of our website, if I now preview the page, here we can see our beautiful transparent header here. Now, like I said, I just wanna change this menu items. So from here, let's just go back to our WordPress dashboard, and you are already familiar with it. Click on exit and just wait a little. So from here, in order to change the menu, from left side, hover on appearance. From there, let's go to menus. Now here, this is our main menu, and you can see all the menu items here, because you see here under home we can see a sub item, it's home 2. Here under pages we can see services, portfolios, these sub menus, just like here we can see it. So we can easily understand that's coming from where. So from this place I don't want this sub menu, so just click here and remove it. So home, about, actually we also don't need this home. Why I'm telling you, just remove this home, because if you have a look here, this logo is basically our home link, so we don't need here another home link. I mean, you know, you don't need two same links here beside. That's why I'm removing the home. So from here actually about, and then we can put services, and then we can put portfolios, and then we can put here blog. Actually we don't need this single blog, and here also we don't need this pages, we don't need this single portfolio. So here about, services, portfolios, blog, contact is just fine. Okay, so from here click on save menu, and if we just go to the front end, refresh the page, and yep, it now looks perfect. So this logo is the home link, then about, services, portfolios, blog, and here is contact. Also if anyone clicks on this get a quote, they can go to the contact page. By the way, if you have another page, or if you want to create another dedicated page for your quotation, you can do that as well. Now let's have a look how to create our beautiful footer. So the same thing, just go to our WordPress dashboard. Now from Elements Kit, just click on header footer, and this time click on footer, and here click on add new, and this time I wanna name it my footer. The type would be footer, enter site is fine. Let's just activate it and click on edit content. So same like, I mean similar like the header, you can just click on this folder icon. Now click on this import template icon. Now click on select file. This time it would be footer.json, this file. Click on open, and just wait a little. Here we go, it says footer. Let's just insert it. Click on apply. So here we have got our footer as well. So let's just change this logo, and we already have uploaded logo. Here we go, just select it, and you know, you can change this text with your own text, and these are social links. So just click over any of this. If you want to change your Facebook URL, just click over that, and you can put your Facebook page or profile link within this link field. You can you can just insert your Twitter handle link within this field, or just replace this hash with your Twitter handle link. Similar like you can add your Instagram or YouTube handle. Let's say if you don't have any YouTube channel or Instagram handle, you can add other. Okay, so from here just click on add item, then click on this icon, and let's say if you want to add anything, for example Snapchat, just select Snapchat, click on insert, and here we can see Snapchat icon as well, and you can just paste your Snapchat handle link here. But for the moment I don't want it, so I'm just clicking on this X to delete it. Now here underneath useful links, you can also change these useful links to any other thing. So also you can write here quick links or sitemap or anything like that, and then you can change these links. So these are coming from here, just click in this place. So you can write down your about us page or your careers page. So for example here you wanted to just write services, services page, and you can link it with your services page. So here I'm linking with services page. In this way you can link any of your existing pages. For example, you can add some support page or privacy policy page. If you want, you can add them within these links. If you want, you can also add external links within these fields. Then from here, from the contact information, you can add your URL within this field. You can add your phone number within this field. Similarly, you can add email addresses. All right, now here just click over there, so you can add some copyright text over here, like copyright 2023, and here instead of KitPapa.com I'm just saying here JF Digital. So our footer is done. Just click on this update button to save our work. Alright, we can now close this tab and this tab. Alright, let's now move to our other pages. So from the menu, we can now move to our about page. By the way, you can always just go to your WordPress dashboard, go to pages to all pages, and here you will find all the pages. So if you wanna edit anything, just hover on that page and you can click on edit with Elementor. Also you can just go to the front end and you can just go to the about page. So our about page is looking like it. If you want to edit it, just from top click on edit with Elementor. So it will open up our about page within Elementor page builder. So now I will basically move a little bit fast forward because you are already familiar with Elementor page builder, I believe. So let's say if you want to change the background of this area, you know, you are already familiar with it. By the way, here I want to show you another option. If you just right click over here, here of this place, you can just open up the navigator. So by using this navigator, you can just see the layout of this page. So from here, if you just open up the inner banner, so inner banner is basically this banner. So this about area, basically this is this area. So if you want to change the background of this image, you can also do that by using this navigator. So you can just go to inner banner, go inside its style tab, and you can change this background image. Okay, so it's always another great practice to navigate through this navigator. So you can just close it, and you know, you can just right click over anywhere within Elementor canvas. You can click on navigator, or also you can just click here on this navigator, so the navigator will open up. Okay, so here, you know, you can change this text. Let's scroll down. You can change all this text with your own text, so you can change all of them. You can change all these icons just by clicking over there. And also we have seen these areas on home pages, how you can change this video URL just by clicking here. You can change the video URL. Let's now scroll down, and here I just want to show you how you can change any particular team members details. Okay, so let's say I want to change the details of this team member. Just select this team member and you can change this image with any other image. So from here, go to upload files, click on select files, and here within the image folder, I'm selecting this team member image. Click on open and just click on this select. So here we can see the image has been replaced. Now if you want to change the name and title, just click over this name. Let's say his name is John Doe, and his title here, just click over that, and let's say he's a web designer. So you can change them easily like this. Also you are already familiar with these social links. Just click over that. You can change the social links like Facebook, Twitter, and you know, you already have seen that in the footer how you can work with these social links. So you can add the personal link of this particular team member here. So just like it, and here we are done with the team. I mean, we are done with our about page as well. Just click on this update to save this work. So let's now preview it. So here on the about page, everything is looking great. Let's now move to our next page, which is the services page. So here I have clicked on the services page. Now here click on edit with Elementor. So right now we are inside the services page. So you know how to change the banner image, and here you already familiar with this area as well. We have seen it on home page on the second area. So you can change all these. Actually on the home page we have just put our 4 best services, but here you can put your all other services, all these icons, all these names, and here you know, you can just link it with the contact page. So just like it, and here, okay, so here in this area, if you want you can use it, or if you don't want you can just click on this X to delete it, but this is really cool. So here you can explain how you work or your work process. So first of all, let's say your first phase of work is researching the project, and then for example, let's say you can just write here discuss and proceed, just like this, and then you will get the best results. So if you want you can add this area, it will look more professional. So this page is also looking great, so we can just save our services page. Let's now click on this eyeball icon, and we can actually close this about page and services page. Okay, so from now, from the top we can just move to the portfolios page. So here to edit this page, click on edit with Elementor. You are already familiar how to change this banner. Let's now have a look. Okay, so let's focus on this area. Here we will basically showing all these portfolios. By the way, here at the top, instead of portfolio list, we can just simply say it portfolios. And now if we scroll down, okay, also we don't need this subscribe area, so I'm deleting it by clicking on this X. Let's now only focus on these single portfolios. Okay, so here let's just click on this pencil icon to edit it, because of course you won't have this kind of digital marketing and this background image or this. You want to put here your real work portfolios, right? So here, for example, the first one, let's say if you are a web design agency and if you have created any restaurant website for any client and you want to showcase that within this page. So here, this one is the first item. Okay, so here we can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 items, and you will get these 6 items from left side. So if I scroll down from within these gallery items, open it, here we can see just here 1 2 3 4 5 6 items. So the first one is this one, the second one is this one. So if you want to delete anything, you can delete that from this place, or if you want to add any new item, you can just click on this add new item. Okay, so let's start with the first one. So this one is the digital marketing, but I want to change its name to, for example, restaurant website. So I need to change the name within this field. It says item name. So here I'm just writing here restaurant website. So here if I hover, you see it says restaurant website. Also here is some text. If you want to change them, so you can change them from this place. And also I want to replace this image, so just scroll down a little bit. So instead of this image, just select this image, click on upload files, click on select files. I just wanna insert this portfolio 1 image, so it's a restaurant image screenshot. Click on select. Here now I can see the image has been changed. Okay, so here let's say if you want to add any external link, so your client's website would be of course an external link. If you want to add any external link, you can just remove this hash and put the external link here. For example, this is just an example. I'm just going to kitpapa.com, and here I'm just searching for iFoods, and here we go. Just go to this page, and from top bar I'm just copying this link, go inside Elementor, and here I'm just right click over here and pasting the link. So now if anyone clicks on this area, that will take them to this KitPapa's page. So this is how you can link any external link. And also here I wanna do another thing, so I'm just clicking here on this gear icon and click on open in a new window. So whenever anyone clicks on this page, it just open up a new window, and then we can see this page on a new window. Okay, so this is one option, and I wanna show you another thing. Like here, just go to the top and open the settings. So here image clickable, I just wanna turn off this option. And now have a look, just click on this update button to save your work. And if we now preview the page, so here just have a look. So if I now hover on any item, we can also see 2 buttons. So if I click on this plus button, it will show the image here at the front. Also we can navigate through other images. Just click outside, and if you click on this link icon, just click there, you see it's just open up the external link on a new tab. So this is, I mean, in this way it works really well. So just let me give you another idea. Let's go inside Elementor. Let's just change this one. Okay, so here, so from left side, just go inside gallery items and open up the second one. So this one's name, item name, it would be, for example, Oslo business. For example, this is a client project, and now here you want to change this image. Just go to upload file, select file, and I'm selecting portfolio 2 image, then click on select. And also make sure the lightbox button is turned on, the link button is turned on. And for example, for this one, so I'm just selecting Oslo from KitPapa, and here I'm just copying this URL from here, go inside Elementor, and within this field, instead of hash, I'm just pasting the link here. And also I just want to open up it from a new tab. So from here I'm just selecting open in a new tab. So save it, and if we now preview it, so it's here, and if we just click on this link, so it will take us to the Oslo page. Now here, just close all of them. I wanna show you another thing, which is, let's say if you want to add any external link, so you can add here your client's website or other website. You can do that in this way. But let's say if you want to create a dedicated page for this particular portfolio, how can you do that? For example, let's say if you want to create a case study page, how have you get the client, then how have you done the work, what tool have you used? Let's say if you want to create a case study page, so how can you do that, right? So first, let's go back to your WordPress dashboard, and here you will find you will find a page that says single portfolio. Okay, and I recommend not to edit this page with Elementor, because actually we just want to keep it as a template, and I just want to duplicate it, and I want to create a single case study page from that. Okay, it's very simple. So first of all, this is the single portfolio page, and I just want to duplicate it. So to duplicate it, it's very easy. Just click on EA duplicator and it will be instantly duplicated. So here you see it says single portfolio copy, and right now it's on draft. So from here, click on edit. So this page, this single portfolio, basically I wanna create it for example, for this restaurant website dedicated case study page. Okay, so here, let it load. So instead of single portfolio copy, let's say I wanna say it as restaurant project. Okay, for example, you wanna showcase this project here. Now from here, click on publish. Click on publish one more time, and this time click on edit with Elementor, this button. So here in this page, first of all, if you wanna change the background, you can do that. You already know that. And here we can say restaurant project. So if you wanna create another case study page, you can just rename that on that particular page. And here you have got several options. If you want, you can use any of the option. If you don't want, if you shouldn't use that part. So here all the options are available. Okay, so for example, here you can say for example restaurant website strategy. Okay, the restaurant, I have misspelled it. Okay, restaurant website strategy, and here you can put some real screenshot of that project. So here, instead of this image, for example, I'm just using another image. So for example, this image, because it will look better on that area. So let's select it. So you can showcase some beautiful screenshot of that project. You can write some details. How have you done that with your team? You have designed that on Figma first. You have then converted in WordPress by using Elementor. So all your project journey you can describe here. So it's up to you. And here, if you want, you can also add the feedback from your client, so other clients will get inspired by this beautiful feedback. And also, if you want to add some image slider, you can also do that. Like I said, if you want, you can use any of these options. If you don't want, you can just right click over here and you can delete that particular widget. Okay, so also, if you create other single project page, you can link those pages here. Okay, for example, you can just select it, and from left side, if you want to link this business management project with other page, so just remove this hashtag from here and you can link, you can just paste the link of other single portfolio pages link here. Okay, it's very easy. And also, I don't know about your single project, so if you need it, if you need the download brochure or any kind of other linking options, you can use it. Or if you don't want it, you can just click on this X to delete it. Okay, so it's up to you. And then let's say if you have created any beautiful case study video, you can just upload that YouTube and you can embed that video here. So just click over that, just click over this icon, and you can just replace this URL with the video URL. Also, if you are very proud of your client, you can just post your client name here, the service details, the project timeline, like you can say we have done it within 60 days because it was a rush project, something like that. And if you don't want any of the elements, just right click over there and click on delete, so that will be deleted instantly. And if you want it back, if you are just from PC, press on Ctrl Z. If you're from Mac, press on Command Z, so it will get back here. Okay, so in this way you can create your single project pages. Just click on update. And now I want to show you another thing. If you just go back to your WordPress dashboard, so here if you just go to pages to all pages, and here you can see restaurant project. So this page, just click on this view link. So here you can see this pages link here at the top. So you can just copy this link. Let's copy the link. Now go inside Elementor. This was basically the portfolios page. So here we have linked it with external link, but now I want to link it with the page, restaurant project page we have just created. So from left side, let's open the first item, the restaurant website, this one. So here, instead of this link, first I'm removing the link from here and I'm just pasting the link I have just copied. And now if we just save the page and let's have a look on the front end. So from the portfolios page, if we just click on this restaurant website, this link, so it just takes us to the single restaurant project or portfolio page. How cool is that? Alright, next we can go to the blog page, but before we can actually do the contact page because it's much easier. So just click on the contact page, and actually we can close all other tabs because they are distracting. Okay, so here we can see our contact page. Let's now open it by using Elementor. So click on edit with Elementor. So here you already know how to change the background image, how to change the text, how to change all of this, and you can change the address just by clicking here. You can change the phone number, you can change the email. You are already familiar with this. If you want to change anything, just click over that. You will find all the changing option at the left side. And then if we scroll down, you can change anything just by clicking there, and you can change everything from left side. And here we will be adding a contact form. I'm showing you that very shortly, actually, which is really easy. And let's now scroll down, and here is the Google Map area. So if you wanna work with this Google Map area, just click on this pink edit icon, just click there. So here if you wanna change your location, so from within this location field you just need to put your address. It will automatically get the address from Google Map. For example, here I'm just putting the Meta headquarter or Facebook headquarter address. So here you see I have just written the address and it's automatically getting the Meta headquarter on Google Map. Also, if you want, you can control the zoom option or height, so you can increase or decrease the height from here, but I just want to keep it as 350 pixel, and here I want to zoom it a little bit, so just like 12. So just have a look. Right now it looks great. And here the very last thing on this contact page, we need to add our contact form, which is very important. So here if you just move your cursor, you can see an area, so just click over there. So this is basically your form insertion area, or you can just right click over here and click on navigator. So here you see right underneath this heading, here is another widget says made form, so just click over that. I'm just moving the navigator so you can see this area properly. So right now this made form is selected, so at the left side you can see this edit form option. Okay, so click on this edit form. By the way, I'm opening the navigator so you can see it properly. Okay, so here I want to create a new form. Make sure the new is selected, and I just want to name it my form 1. Keep it general, keep it blank, and then click on edit form. So here I just wanna insert the form that we have got with the folder you have just downloaded. So click on this folder icon, then click on this import template icon here, then click on select file. Now from within this folder, go inside KP templates and make sure you have selected this form. It says contact form contact page. Okay, so contact form contact page.json, click on open. So here it says contact form contact page, click on insert, click on apply. So here we can see the form has been imported successfully. Okay, so from top, click on this update and close button. And here we can see our beautiful form. Now just click on this update button to save our work, and then click on this eyeball icon to preview the page. Alright, let's now just test out this form. So my name is Jim Fahad, and email, this is just a fake email. So here I'm writing fakeemail.com, and number, here you should put your phone number, and subject, for example, your client need a website, and here it says, hey, I need my website, are you available? Then click on submit message, and it says thank you, form submitted successfully. And now, as you are the author of this website, you can just go to your front end. Not front end, you just need to go to your WordPress dashboard. Now from left side, just go to mid form to entries. By the way, as you are here for the first time, so you just need to maintain the ongoing process. Click on the next step all the time. So this is for the first time, you don't need to do it later. Click on save changes, and then here just under mid form, click on entries, and here you can see a new entry. Okay, so click on view, and here you can see the name is Jim Fahad, email is this email, here is the phone number, subject is I need a website, and here you can see the details of the text. Okay, so you have got his email address, so you can reply back to this email address if you are available, and the next process, or you can share your Google Meet or Zoom or Skype or WhatsApp or anything to contact with that client. All right, so similar like this contact page, we have had a contact form within the home page, you remember. So we can just go to our WordPress dashboard. Now from pages, let's go to all pages, and from here we are using this one, home one, not home 2, but if you want you can also play with home 2. So I'm just opening home 1. Let's click on edit with Elementor. So here from within the home page, let's just scroll down. I just wanna change. Okay, so this area, so for some reason if you don't find, just right click over anywhere which is visible, then click on navigator, and so here just after this text editor, if I move here, if you click on mid form, so here's the mid form area, then from left click on edit form, and then close the navigator, click on new. So here I wanna name it, for example, my form 2. Okay, so keep it general, keep it blank, click on edit form, and okay, just wait a little. So here similar like the contact form, I wanna insert another form. So from inside the KP templates folder, there you will find another form for the homepage 1. Now here click on this folder icon and click on this import template icon, click on select file, and make sure you have selected contact from home.json, not this one contact from home 2, because we will be using it on home 1. So make sure contact from home.json, you have selected this one, click on open. Now here contact from home, so click on insert, click on apply, and here you go, we have got our beautiful contact form for the home page. So click on update and close, and here we can see the form. So now if anyone fill up this form, click on submit message, then from our WordPress dashboard, from inside the made form entries, we will get that contact details as well. Alright, so here as you have changed something on home page, so don't forget to click on this update button to save your work. Now I wanna show you how to create a blog post and how to customize your blog page design as well. Okay, and let's now go to our WordPress dashboard. By the way, the default themes blog design is kind of boring to me, so that's why I will be using the design of this particular kit to make our single blog and our blog archive pages look really great. But this is only my personal opinion. If you wanna create your blog or a single blog post page in any other way, you can do that. And if you wanna make it really look good, then you can follow this method what I'm showing right now. Alright, now first of all I wanna show you the single blog that we have got with this kit. Okay, so if we now let's go to post, to all post, so here you will basically get all the blog post that we have got with the kit. Okay, So all these are dummy blog posts, of course. So from here, actually this hello world is also dummy one. So I just want to keep one, and let's select all of them. So I'm just keeping one, and I have selected all other. So from bulk action, click on move to bin, click on apply. So here, this one I want to use it as a template, you see. So here, first of all, I just want to duplicate this because like I said, I want to use it as a template. So first of all, let's click on EA duplicator. So here I have just duplicated it, you see it's on draft. So first click on edit. So let's say it's a blog post and it's about 7 ways to market your business, or how to start a business agency. Okay, so here I'm just writing how to start your own agency. So this blog is all about it, and you can select its category from here. So click on category, and here it's a blog. So if you want, you can add, you can keep, I mean, you can select any existing category, or you can deselect it. You can create a new one, click on add new category, and I wanna just give it a name like agency, then click on add new category. So here it's the category is agency. Now from featured image, if you want, you can replace it. So from here, click on replace, and from here, for example, I'm just selecting this image or this one. Okay, let's just select this one, click on set featured image, and here I think we no longer need any other thing. So click on this publish button, click on publish button one more time, and now I want to write the blog by using Elementor page builder. Okay, so just click on edit with Elementor, and now have a look. Here it says how to start your own agency. So the title is automatically getting here. Also here we can see it's written by Jim Fahad, so author name is automatically getting here. Here is the publishing date is automatically getting. And by the way, this background image is not getting automatically. So if you want, you can just change it. Just right click over that, you know how to change the background image of a section. Now let's scroll down, and this image is the featured image. So it's also dynamic. It's getting from the backend of our website. And then here's the recent news. So from here you can see all the recent published article or blog post. So if you want, you can keep it. If you don't want, you can just click on this X to delete it, but I want it, so I'm pressing on Command Z to get it back. Or if you don't find it, just click on this history button, and I just want to go back to the previous state. So here we have got recent news. Then here's the categories, but I don't want it. Okay, I'm just keeping it for the moment. Then here, if you wanna add any subscribe button or any other ad, you can actually keep it on the right sidebar. Okay, now let's focus on the main blog area. So this is your main blog area, and this featured image is getting automatically. And then you can write anything the way you want. You can write everything in paragraph, or you can add multiple heading, you can add more images. Let's say if you wanna write some other thing here right underneath here. Okay, so you can just click here, you can drag this heading element here, and you can turn into H6, or for example H5, for example few other notes. And then you can here add more text right underneath here, and you can just write more text here in this place. So in this way you can add as many as text you want. And for example, right underneath this area you want to add some image. So click on this Rubik's cube icon, just insert this image underneath here. So you can select the image, and for example I'm selecting this image, click on select. So here we can see this image. By the way, you can see a difference between this image and this image because this image's corners are rounded. So if you want to apply the same style of this image to this image, you can just right click over this image, click on copy, and then right click over this image, click on paste style, not paste but paste style. So here you can see their corners are also getting rounded. So in this way you can add anything from left side. So for example, I'm just searching for list, so you can add an icon list or feature list or anything from left side. So any element from left side to right side to make your blog post look really nice. And also I of course want to keep this social sharing option, and underneath people can also make comment on your blog post. So in this way you can just create any blog post. So just click on update to save our work. Then we can go back to our WordPress dashboard. So if you want to create a new blog post, you can just go here, click on all post, and then from this place you can just duplicate this blog post. So I'm just showing you a quick example. Just click on EA duplicator one more time, and here click on edit. So first of all you need to write down your blog title. So for example, 7 ways to get design clients, for example, and here you can add it as marketing, or okay, so just these two, and here you can replace this with other image. So here for example I'm selecting this image. Let's now click on set featured image, and other than that everything looks perfect. Click on publish, click on publish one more time, and now if you wanna edit this blog, click on edit with Elementor. So here you see the blog title is getting dynamically, also the name and publishing date is getting dynamically. Here we can see this featured image here, and we can see the right element here like categories ads. Let's say if you don't want this categories option here, you can just click on this X to delete it, and you can just change this text with other text, of course, because this is another blog post. So you can change all the contents from here the way you want. Okay, so finally you can just click on this update button to save your work. And if you want to preview this blog post, then you can just click on this eyeball icon. So our single blog is looking like it looks really nice. And finally we just need to customize our blog page, because you see this is our single blog page, but I also want to customize our blog archive page. So from here click on this blog, and here as we have got only 3 blog posts at this moment, so we can see these 3. So here if you want to change this page you can do that as well. So from here click on edit with Elementor. So here is the blog or blog archive page editing option. By the way, here if you want you can also change the background image for the blog archive page, and then from the right sidebar about director, or you can just write it, for example, about CEO, for example, and here you can just reduce the width, something like this, and here I'm just adding my image. So here's the image, click on select, and here I'm just writing my name. So here I'm writing Jim Fahad, and you can just change all these, and you are also familiar with the social links. So if you want you can just put your personal social links here, and underneath here is more social links. So you can just put your company's profile links like Facebook page or your LinkedIn page. You can just put those links here, and here we can see the blog posts are coming here automatically. So from here if you just click on this pencil icon, actually you can change all the designs. For example, here we can see this title. So if you don't want to show them on the blog archive page, you can just disable it by clicking here, so you can no longer see the title, but I want it. So in this way you can actually just enable or disable option, like if you just don't want this read more button, you can just disable this read more button from here, but I of course want it. So in this way you can actually design your blog archive page. So I'm pretty happy with it. Just click on update button to save our work. And finally let's go back to WordPress dashboard, and if we now preview the home page, here you may remember we have done everything, but I wanted to discuss. And by the way, here you can change these team members, because I have shown how to change this on our about page. I have shown how to change this on the portfolios page. So just following the same way you can do these on home pages as well. Okay, so here let's just scroll down. You see all these are blog posts are coming from our blog automatically. Like I said, the most 3 blog posts, like the 7 ways to get design clients, how to start your own agency. You can see the updated thumbnail, and here you can see the category. It's under agency category, it's under agency and marketing, multiple categories. So we can see our latest blog here, and everything is looking great. Now I just wanna cover some final touches. So I just wanna check. Actually, I already have checked all the pages are looking really great on mobile devices, but we just need to do one simple change. So if I do it from one place, so it will be it will go global, so you don't need to do it from all the pages. Just click on edit with Elementor. I'm opening the home page by using Elementor page builder. Actually, I have opened our home page by using Elementor page builder. Okay, so first of all, let's have a look how it's looking. So if I just go to tablet device, you see on tablet device everything is looking great. We already have checked it. So here everything looks great. If I just go to a mobile view, so everything is looking great. I have also checked other pages, everything is looking great, but you can of course always check before launching your website everything is looking great on all of the devices or not. And here I just want to do one last thing. Here you see we can see the logo here, Jim Toots, perfectly. And if we click on hamburger, here I need to change one thing, because here we still can see previous logo. So if we want to edit this, we cannot do it from inside of homepage because it's coming from header. Okay, so if I just go back to the front end of our website, and if I just hover, don't just click here, just hover on edit with Elementor, and then you see it says my header. Okay, so just click here on this my header. So here within the header, if I just wanna check the responsiveness, click on the responsive mode, go to either tablet or mobile, so we can see the hamburger. Just click on this hamburger icon, and from here we need to change this logo. Okay, so here just click over this logo. Now from left side you see it says mobile menu settings, so click over there. We can see this logo is coming from here, and this time actually we need to use a separate logo, I mean a different logo, which is which color is kind of dark or black. Okay, so here we can just click on upload files to select files. So here is the black or dark logo of ours, so I'm selecting it, click on open, and then click on select. So just wait a little. So initially it's looking like it, but when we click on this hamburger we can see this new logo, and here these menu items are getting from the same place, so there is no worry about it. You just need to change this logo. Okay, now just click outside. So on the mobile it's also looking great. So just click on this update button to save our work. So finally, to check the responsiveness of our website, actually we can just refresh the home page from within Elementor page builder. So from here, if we now click on responsive mode, let's just go to mobile view, and here if I click on hamburger, yep, everything is now looking great. Let's now close it, and we can just go back to desktop view. Here another very important thing I wanna show you here, like actually I told you at the beginning of this tutorial. So how can you change this color? Like here it says it shows orange color, so you might have a different brand color, that might be anything. So how can you change that color from one place, so all this orange color will be replaced with that color, right? So to do it, it's very easy. Just from inside Elementor page builder you need to do it from one place. So from all other pages this orange color will be replaced with your brand color. Okay, so just click on this hamburger icon, then click here on site settings, then from here click on global colors, and you see all those orange colors are basically coming from this secondary and accent color. So if you just change this secondary and accent color from here, so all the orange color will be replaced with that color. So for example, here I'm just replacing this color with, for example, here I'm just taking a purple color or a pink color, for example. So here I'm taking this color. Let's just copy this color code, and also with the accent let's just select it. I'm just pasting the same pink color here. So now if I just click on this update button and then click on this X, now just have a look, that orange color has been replaced with this pink color all over the website. So in this way, very easily you can change your brand color. So all of the text and other places, all the icons, all the brand color will be changed instantly on all pages, throughout the website. And lastly, I just wanna show you another thing. Like here at the top, I wanna add the fav icon of our website. So fav icon is basically the little tiny icon what you can see at the top of the browser. Like here at jimfahaddigital.com, here at the top you can see this little tiny icon. This is the fav icon of this website. So if you wanna add that fav icon to your website, you can just click on this hamburger icon. Then from here, click on site settings. Then from here, let's scroll down and here click on site identity. So basically here you see it says site fav icon. So click on choose image and go to upload files, click on select files, and I'm selecting this fav icon. And always make sure whenever you will upload any fav icon, that fav icon shape should be in square. So that could be 60 pixel by 60 pixel or 100 by 100 or 300 by 300 pixel. So make sure it's square shape so it will look great on your browser top. Okay, so I'm selecting this image. Now let's just click on select. By the way, you cannot see it instantly, but when you just see on real browser, just after saving it, you can see the change. But for the moment, okay, for now just let's update it. And if I now go back, because I just don't want to keep this pink color, so from global colors I just want to go back to the previous color, which was hash F94C30. So I'm just copying this orange color code. Also on the accent I wanna use the same color, so click on update to save our work and click on X. So here everything we can see in the we can see everything on that previous global color. Let's now have a final preview all the pages we have just made. So click on the eyeball icon. Let's start from the home page. So here on the home page we have created this beautiful banner. Here is the services area. Here we have created this about area. Here is the client logos. Here is the beautiful progress bars. Here we have created the portfolio area. Here is the team area, and here is the reviews area. Everything is looking great. And here we have added the home page contact form, and here is some fun facts. Here is these blogs are coming dynamically. So here we can see the global footer. Now from top, if we just go to our about page, so here just let it load. On the about page everything is looking great. So we now know how to change all of these. We have changed the team members, and then let's go to services page. So we have created this beautiful services page. We know how to create this beautiful process area. And then let's go to portfolios. So we have changed all these images, and we have just click on this plus icon, so you can just navigate through the next pages. Or also if you just click on this link, that will take you to the single project page or the case study page. So here you can describe everything perfectly. And next from here, let's go to the blog page. So on the blog page we can see all the blog archive. Here on the sidebar we can see all other information, and if we go to any single blog post, so we can see the beautiful single blog post page, and here people can also make comments. And finally, if we just go to the contact page, we can see the beautiful contact page with all the contact information. Here we have got our main contact form, and here is the Google map. Alright, so we have completed our amazing business website. Now just go ahead and make your own business website. I wish you all the best, and I have just one request. Please comment down below about the learning experience from this video. Also, please share this video on social media. It would mean the world to me. I will see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.